Hello everyone, my name is Majke and I'm the president of the Mother Nature Association Hungary. It's a great honor for me to share a few words with you today as we celebrate the closing of this inspiring project. Mother Nature joined the Plamen project as an expert partner, focusing on supporting women leaders, strengthening the visibility of women organizations, and providing mentoring and training. This work is deeply aligned with our mission, and it was a joy to contribute to this collective effort. We have been collaborating with Centar Majke Plamen for many years now. Each time, our partnership has been marked by trust, reliability, and mutual inspiration. And this project was no exception. One of the highlights of the project was the study visit in Budapest, where we had the pleasure of hosting Bosnian participants together with our local allies and partners, sharing our experiences in person, visiting local women-led initiatives, and simply spending time together brought a deeper level of connection and learning. Throughout the process, we had the opportunity to work closely with teams of committed women. Their clarity, determination, and collaborative spirit were truly impressive. But what made this journey even more meaningful was that it was not one-sided. We did not only share the knowledge, we also received it. We learned from you, Bosnian women, from your strength, from your stories, from your ways of organizing and caring for your communities. The presence of the entire Plamen team, your coordination and ability to create safe and supportive spaces was essential in making this process so effective and heartfelt. To me, it was never just about project development. It was about empowerment, solidarity, and trust. Watching you women step into your power and shape your visions into something tangible was the true success of this experience. Thank you for letting us be a part of this journey. I believe this is just the beginning, and I look forward to everything we will continue to build together. With love and deep respect. Hvala. Thank you.